Hey everyone, and welcome to Deep Learning, Recurrent Neural Networks in Python. Guys, I am so excited to bring you this course. Out of the 15, and counting, deep learning courses I've made so far, this was one of the most fun and exciting courses I've created yet. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand, implement, and apply some of the most powerful deep learning algorithms that have transformed sequence modeling and natural language processing in the past few years. You'll be doing time series forecasting, text classification, and more, with the most powerful kind of recurrent neural networks we know of today, including GRUs and LSTMs. As with all my courses, it's not just a few nice pictures and taking 30 minutes to explain 3 lines of code. This will be in-depth. We will derive every algorithm from scratch, and you will implement each algorithm like a real machine learning engineer. This course will take a deep dive into RNNs. You will learn why they are needed, what problem they solve, and how to use them for real-world applications like time series analysis and natural language. This course is for anyone with more than just a passing interest in deep learning and sequence models. Whether you are a student, a professional, or someone who wants to advance their career by getting into machine learning, this course is for you. Sign up now and get ahead of the game. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.